It's the dead of night. The world is silent. Most of us are tucked away in bed, dreaming about adventures or completely nonsensical scenarios. But for some people, the adventure isn't confined to their dreams. They're up and about, walking, talking, sometimes even cooking, and they have no idea they're doing it. Welcome to the strange science of sleepwalking. Sleepwalking, or somnambulism, is a mysterious phenomenon that's been puzzling scientists and fascinating storytellers for centuries. But what exactly is it? And why does it happen? Let's take a closer look. First, a quick crash course on sleep. Our sleep cycle has different stages, including light sleep, deep sleep, and REM, or rapid eye movement, sleep, where most of our dreaming occurs. Sleepwalking typically happens during deep sleep, also known as non-REM sleep. This is when your brain is in a unique state, deeply resting but still capable of directing physical activity. So, what triggers sleepwalking? For starters, it's more common in children than adults, likely because their sleep patterns are still developing. Genetics play a role too. If one of your parents was a sleepwalker, your chances of doing the same are much higher. But stress, sleep deprivation, and even certain medications can also increase the likelihood. What's truly bizarre is the range of behaviors sleepwalkers can exhibit. While some just shuffle around aimlessly, others have been known to engage in complex activities like driving or playing a musical instrument. It's like the brain is awake enough to control motor functions, but asleep enough to stay unaware. One theory is that sleepwalking occurs when there's a glitch in the normal transition between sleep stages. Parts of the brain, especially those responsible for movement, become active, while the areas that handle decision-making and awareness stay shut down. It's a fascinating, albeit poorly understood, state. Stress and sleep deprivation are two of the biggest triggers for sleepwalking. Think of it like this: if your brain is already overworked, it's more prone to these and #039 misfires and #039 during sleep. That's why getting enough rest and managing stress is key for those prone to sleepwalking. If you encounter someone sleepwalking, there's a common myth that waking them up is dangerous. That's not entirely true, but it can be disorienting and frightening for the sleepwalker. Instead, it's usually best to gently guide them back to bed and ensure their environment is safe. Throughout history, sleepwalking has been a source of mystery and even fear. In the past, some cultures believed it was caused by supernatural forces. Today, we know it's a natural, albeit unusual, part of human biology. So, the next time you hear about someone sleepwalking, remember, it's not just a quirky nighttime behavior. It's a glimpse into the complex, often strange world of the sleeping brain. And while there's still much we don't understand, one thing is clear: sleepwalking is yet another reminder of how fascinating and mysterious our brains really are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this video interesting.